Hello everyone. So in this video I will be showing you how to convert integer data type into string data type in Python. So I will be showing you two methods. One is by using function, inbuilt function, and another one is without using it. So you can choose whichever method suits you. Okay. So let's get started. So first let me declare an integer variable. So let v be my integer. Okay. So let's say value to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll just print the type. Okay. So print type. I'll just put v inside it. So this will give us the data type of our variable. So I'll be getting class int this integer data type. So the first method I will be using the inbuilt data type. So our inbuilt data type is str. So let me just put v equal to str of v. That's it. So what it does basically is that we're just passing this v variable inside it, and 1, 2, 3, 4 gets passed over here. And here the existing integer data type 1, 2, 3, 4 it gets overwritten to string data type and gets saved inside v itself. So at the end, after this statement, our v will be getting converted from integer data type to string data type. So let me just write it down. Same thing, I'm just printing the type of v, but this time I will be getting class str. Okay, so this is one method. Okay, by using the str, comment this. So another method is by using this f string. Okay, I guess it works in the latest version of Python. So same thing applies. Let me just assign it to v itself. So just put v equal to, or you can assign str, your random variable you wish. So here's the syntax. You need to put f single quote curly bracket and just close the single quote, and inside this curly bracket you need to pass the variable name. So here v is our variable, just put v inside it. Okay, f single quote curly bracket single quote, and inside the curly bracket you just put v. So that's it. This is the syntax. So let me just write now. Same thing, I'm just printing the type of v. So I'll be getting class str over here as well. So these are like some of the two methods, easy methods I would say, to convert integer to string data type in Python. So mine is the program channel. I've done many videos in C, C++, Java, Python, as well as SQL interview questions and queries, as well as 3D animation in Blender. So do check out the videos of my channel, subscribe and support me. Thanks for watching.